बहुत स्पेशल होने वाली है। हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे आपके लिए एक इंग्लिश का एक एक्ट प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। आई होप आप सभी को पसंद आएगा। एक बार आप सभी शांत हो जाइए और उसको अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। कहते हैं कि किसी भी देश का भविष्य और उसकी तरक्की देश की युवा पीढ़ी पर टिकी होती है। अगर देश की युवा पीढ़ी गलत रास्ते पर चली जाए तो जाहिर सी बात है कि देश का भविष्य और उनकी जिंदगी अंधकार में चली जाएगी। आज हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे आपके सामने एक ऐसे ही एक्ट को पेश कर रहे हैं जिसमें बच्चों को बुरी संगत के कारण बुरी संगति और सोशल मीडिया और नशे की लत लग जाती है, जिससे उनका नन्हा मुन्ना सा बचपन अंधकार में चला जाता है। तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं एक बार आसिफा, अयान, अकबर, आयुषी, कनिष्का और जतिन के लिए। जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इन सभी बच्चों के लिए। तो मैं पहले आपको बता देना चाहती हूँ कि कौन बच्चा क्या रोल प्ले कर रहा है। कनिष्का कैरिस का रोल प्ले कर रही है। आयुषी इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ कैरिस फ्रेंड। Jatin is playing the role of Karis, another friend, and Akbar is playing the role of Kanishka's father. Asifa is playing the role of Kanishka's mother, and Jatin is playing the role of doctor. तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सभी बच्चों के लिए।
Caris, get up, it's getting late. Papa and Mama are rushing to the office and have your food and start studying your lesson.
Mom, but it's a holiday today. We have a dance program in the school and I called my friend for the practice.
Okay, take care and be good. Bye.
Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.
Why are they so late?
Hi, Caris.
What took you so long?
We wanted to call you. Then we realized that you don't have a phone. My mother has given me a new phone. She asked to me call if needed, as she would be late to come back.
My parents also come back late. I have to sit here for the long time. It's so boring. Time distracts on and on.
Let's go out, Caris, and we will have fun.
Oh, ridiculous. Back home again. So boring. I have nothing to do till Mama and Daddy come back from home.
Why do you have to worry? Do you have a laptop at home? Just log into Facebook. It's so interesting. You will have lots of friends there. Just give it to try. Not only Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and what not. You will never be bored ever. I have a secret. I have a magic powder, and that will be help us to successful and happy.
Hey, this is just an ordinary powder, and how it's going to work? It's just impossible.
Why not? It is possible. Anything is possible in the world as long as you have a magic powder.
The magic powder? What's that?
Shh. Quiet. It's a secret. I will share it only close friends like you. It will lead it to height, to success, to victory.
Wow, that's wonderful. How did get this magical powder? I can't wait to set hold of it.
I will definitely tell you, but promise me, never tell anyone. I got it from one of my Facebook friends. Do you want some?
Yes! Is it glucose powder?
Glucose powder, it's much more than that.
This will give you energy beyond limits.
Come on, have it. Just sniff it, dear.
Come, let's go. You promised me a treat. Yes, yes, I will have it.
Hello? Yes, miss. This is Carrie's mother. Yes, miss. My daughter Carrie's? Yes, miss. I will see you. I will take care that she will not take this repeated again. Thank you, miss.
What happened, dear?
I worried about our Carrie's. She seems to be fall in dangerous habit. Her teachers call me and tell her low marks.
Are you sure? Don't worry. We will talk to her. Let her come home.
Carries, why are you so silent these days? My dear baby, talk to me. Carries, 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 listen to me. You can't sit and looking to the laptop. And I am going to shut it down.
No, you can't do that. I have a lots of friends there.
Karis, listen to your mother. You have to concentrate in your study and the phone give you. Give it back.
No,
And this powder? What is this, Carries?
And who gave you this? Do you know how harmful it is?
there is no problem. I am happy.
Karis, go and study.
I want time back. You can't take it away from me. I have a lots of friends there. I can't live without it. I can't concentrate.
My baby,
I don't know, Papa. What happened to me? I want to be a little princess again.
oh God, John, call the doctor.
Yes. Hello, doctor. Please come home. It's my daughter. She is in trouble.
Don't cry, my baby. Everything will be fine. We are here for you, dear. Don't worry, Carries. Everything will be fine.
Don't worry, she will be alright. Children today are deeply affected by addiction to social media. As parents, you have to set the limits and boundaries. Modern healthy screen time because your kids are watching you. Plan your media habits. Plan time for hobbies. Plan outdoor play activities which involve children. So let's join hands and stand up against this evil. Just say no to drugs.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इन सभी बच्चों के लिए। बहुत खूब। अब इसी एक्ट को हमारे प्यारे से स्टूडेंट्स आपको एक बार हिंदी में करके दिखाएंगे। आप लोग तैयार हो हिंदी के एक्ट के लिए? वेरी गुड। तो यही एक्ट एक बार रिपीट होगा। हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे आपको एक बार ये हिंदी में करके दिखाएंगे।
आप लोगों ने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक और शेयर भी कर दीजिए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन के बटन पर भी क्लिक कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। खुदा हाफिज।